Hi friends, let us solve this problem. We have x square plus x by x minus 1 whole square equals 8. If you try to expand this, we will get some x square in the denominator. And then if you try to expand this and solve it the regular way, for example, then this x square and this x square will become x power 4. That will become little cumbersome, right? So that's why we'll try to find some other way of solving this problem rather than expanding this term. If you can notice, here there is a small hint in this problem also. Here we can see x and x by x minus 1. Right. Here the square of x and square of x by x minus 1. If you notice, x plus x by x minus 1. What is this? This becomes x square minus x plus x by x minus 1. This and this will get cancelled. So we'll be left with x squared by x minus 1. Right. X plus x by x minus 1. Basically, if we call this a, this is a, and this is b, we are saying a plus b. Similarly, what is a into b? A times b is x into x by x minus 1, which is again x squared by x minus 1. Right? X into x by x minus 1 is x squared by x minus 1. So what we are seeing, a plus b is equal to ab. Right? There is something peculiar here. A plus b equals ab. Now let us try to use this property. A plus b equals to ab, and this is in the form of a square plus b square. Right. And a square plus b square, we can expand and we'll get an ab also. So let us try to use that. What is a square plus b square? A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here we are saying a plus b and ab are equal. Right. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Let us use that here. Let us use that here and see what we get. This one, a square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square, which is x plus x minus x by x minus 1 whole square. This is a square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. That's what we have written. This is a square plus b square. A is x and b is x by x minus 1. This is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Right. Now this becomes x squared by x minus 1, x squared by x minus 1. Both places it is the same thing. Now let us replace this with some constant, something t. Let us call this one t so that it's easy for us. This becomes t square minus 2t minus 8. T square minus 2t minus 8. This we can solve very easily. This we can solve. If we solve this, we get t equal to 4 or t equal to minus 2. Right? This is t square minus 4t plus 2t minus 8. Right, if you are solving this, then t is equal to t into t minus 4 plus 2 into t minus 4. So basically, t minus 4 into t plus 2, that is either t equals 4 or t equals minus 2. What is t? T is our original x square by x minus 1. So x square by x minus 1 is either 4 or minus 2. When it is 4, what will this become? X square minus 4x plus 4. If we take this one here, this equation will become x square minus 4x plus 4, which is nothing but x minus 2 whole square, which means x equals 2. Right, this is one solution. What is another solution? X squared by x minus 1 should be equal to minus 2. Right, if it is minus 2, what does this mean? X square equals minus 2 into x minus 1. That means x square plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Right, and this we can solve minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. If you solve this, what will get? X equals, what is b square minus 4ac? This is 2 minus 3. What is minus b here? B is 2. So minus b is minus 2 plus or minus b square minus 4ac. That is, b square is 4 minus 4ac. Minus of 4 into 2. Minus of minus 8, which is 4 plus 8. So minus 2 plus or minus under root 4 plus 8, which is 12. We can write it as 4 into 3. So then this 4, 2 can take common. Here also 1, 2, and this 4, this 2, and this 2 will get cancelled. So we'll be left with minus 1 plus or minus root 3, or plus or minus root 3 minus 1. Right, guys? So we have got x equals to 2 or x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3. These are the solutions. It's a simple problem, and you have to, we can verify this also, if these roots are satisfying the equation or not. We did very simple. We just understood that x and x by x minus 1 are related in a peculiar way, where the sum of these two is equal to product of these two, and we use that. We use that to get a common form, which is the same sum of that or product of that, and then replace that with some t and solve this equation, which is a quadratic equation. Basically, we tried to solve two quadratic equations. Right? Yes. Hope you guys like this. Thank you.